Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are the disadvantages of using Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Disadvantages of using Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is a powerful and widely used image editing tool, but it does come with some disadvantages. Here are some of the key drawbacks. Number one, we have cost. Photoshop is expensive, especially for individual users or small businesses. Adobe subscription model requires continuous payments which can add up over time. Number two, complexity. The software has a steep learning curve due to its extensive features and capabilities. New users may find it overwhelming and may need significant time to become proficient. 3. Resource intensive. Photoshop requires a high performance computers with significant RAM or random access memory, a fast processor, and a good graphics card to run smoothly. This can be a barrier for users with older or less powerful hardware. Number 4. Overwhelming for simple edits. For basic photo editing tasks, Photoshop can be overkill. Simpler, more user-friendly tools might be more efficient for basic needs. Number 5. Subscription model. Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription model means that the users don't own the software and must continue to pay to access the latest versions and updates. This can be disadvantage for users who prefer one-time purchases. Number 6. Size and speed. The software can be slow to start up and may lag during use, especially with large files or when using complex features. Additionally, it takes up substantial disk space. Number 7. Dependence on updates. Users are dependent on Adobe to maintain and update the software. Any issues or bugs must be addressed by Adobe, which can sometimes lead to downtime or reduced productivity if problems are not quickly resolved. Number 8. Limited compatibility with non-Adobe products. Photoshop's file format, especially the PSD, may not be fully compatible with other non-Adobe software, which can limit collaboration and file sharing with users who do not have Adobe products. Number 9. Subscription-only features. Some features and tools are only available through the subscription service, which may not be accessible to all users, especially those who prefers not to subscribe to software. Number 10. Lastly, ethical and social concerns. The ease of manipulating images can raise ethical concerns about the authenticity of photos, especially in media, advertising, and social media, potentially leading to issues with misinformation on unrealistic standards. These disadvantages should be weighed against the powerful capabilities and benefits Photoshop offers to determine if it is the right tool for a user's specific needs. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what are the disadvantages of using Adobe Photoshop. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.